Just going in for an afternoon hunt into a spot I haven't been into for 15 years, I reckon. Hoping it'll be on the edge of the burn from last year, so it could be nice and green. Just dropped out off the track, had a fair bit of sign on the track. So there's deer in here. It's going to be a mongrel walk out of here in the dark, but anyway, no pain, no gain. So I'm going to head down this ridge. Got a nice face on the other side, I'm hoping. It's still nice. I'm going to glass it till dark and then hump back up this bloody ridge. Probably K1.5 up to the vehicle, pretty steep, thick. We'll see what we find. Come down, got out of the thick stuff. Some great sign up high. There's feed everywhere. It's going to be hard to know where to find them because every gully is just chock-a-block, full of grass. Green, like just flush. Jeez, it's nice. There's some pretty good pads up there where it was a bit thicker. A lot of sign on it. Most of it's not real old. So there's a bunch of deer in here somewhere. There's a lot of country in here though. So I'm just going to head down further down this ridge until I can get a clear look out across. Realised I've forgotten my rangefinder. So that's a bugger. Anyway, there's every chance I'll just poke into one here at 100. Less. I'll give you a bit of a look. Whoops. Yeah, I better stop playing games. How was that? Whew. I was really hoping the stag might come into here. I've been looking at that skyline thinking, shit, I'm pretty close. But you never are, especially when you're walking out, up. Just walked into a great big peach tree on a tree fern. I'm only about 300 metres from the ute now. Straight up though. I managed to get a bit of reception in there. Got a message from the wife saying Victoria's going back into lockdown, so this will be the last hunt for a while, which is really, really disappointing because I've just found some good signs, some good country, and I think there's it's worth putting a bit of time in on this spot. Wouldn't mind putting a camera in on this. And yeah, anyway, so I'll be putting this up on YouTube for all them people that are going to be stuck on the couch now. Bugger. Probably not going to show it real good. But yeah, one big peach pad there. Monster on here. Anyway, there we go. Right there somewhere. Yeah. The old moon's coming up. Bit clearer out there.